Waterfall, Waiorongomai, tenderly brushing moss-clad rocks. Falling water invokes the goddess, languid hair silvering a quiet marble body. Clothed in dappled green, softest light winks with subtle curves to drop at her resting feet in a darkly burbling pool. Ageless flowing water cradles a tinkling symphony, remembering its voice across starbound eons. The goddess murmurs wet sweetness in umbrous hollows. Her world is enfolded here. Night and day meet under damp shadowed canopies, and the peace is profound.